Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Max over here at Happily. I wanted to share with you an exciting update we've made to the Happily lead capture app, specifically around the way that we enrich data when you enter leads into the app, whether you're badge scanning or typing it in manually. We now have a new process when we're actually finding that lead that you've submitted. So let me show you how this works. I am going to go and hit create lead here with the plus button, and I don't have a badge to scan here, so I'm going to hit manual just so I can show you what's happening, but this would work the same exact way if you scanned a badge. Now, what I'm doing in this example here is showing you that not only will we obviously search our data providers to find more information on leads that you capture, but now we will also search your existing HubSpot account for contacts that match this lead, something that we haven't done before. And this is great in situations where perhaps you're going to these trade shows and you get the attendee list ahead of time and you upload those people into your HubSpot account. Or for example, maybe you're in an industry where you typically already have a lot of target accounts and you have those folks already existing in your HubSpot account since you've been marketing to them in some way, shape, or form in the past. We see this a lot with folks who have very tight-knit industries where they already know everybody and they want to be able to easily match the leads they're capturing to existing contacts in their HubSpot database. So let me show you how this works out. The way I'm doing this is I am going to search for my dad, and I'm going to enter in a company name that was like a little company side project he had a very long time ago when I was just a young boy. And so I already know that this company information is not going to show up in our set of data providers enrichment data, right? So I'm gaming the system here to give it a result that I know it's not going to find enrichment data on, but that information is in my HubSpot account, right? And so what's going to happen is I'm going to enter in the information here and it's going to search my HubSpot account to find my dad. So let me go ahead and put in Yale Cohen, and we'll say his company name was Retech, which again is not a real company. It's a company, it's like a little passion project that he had. But I know, because I've already tested it, that the data providers aren't going to find anything on this because it doesn't exist. This is the same if I went and scanned his badge and I saw first name, last name, and then a company name Retech. This is the same idea. So whether you scan the badge or you just type it in manually, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to hit save and enrich here. And now what we'll see is that it found more than one match. Now, this is showing off another really cool thing that we do here. It is very common sometimes for folks to have duplicate contacts in their HubSpot account. If you didn't have a duplicate contact in your HubSpot account, it would have just chosen that contact for you. But in this case, it found that we had multiple Yale Cohens in our HubSpot account. So instead of just assuming which one to use, it's giving you the opportunity to actually review the different ones that we found. So we'll go ahead and hit review here, and we can see that we've got a Yale Cohen here and then a Yale Cohen with a different email address. It's a separate contact, but we can see this one works at Retech. We're surfacing the company information that we have and even who the owner is. So I can easily just select this one. And again, it would have automatically chosen this one if there weren't duplicates in there. In the case where there were, it gave me the opportunity to actually review and choose it. And then I can go and proceed as normal and capture this lead. You'll also see here, there's a nice little link to your HubSpot CRM now, and it will open up your HubSpot app and go right to that contact record should you need to. But that's basically it. That is an update to our data enrichment flow. It now includes data from your HubSpot account as well, not just our data providers. And the cool thing is if I go and capture this lead, it will also enrich this contact with any additional data we're able to find through our data providers. Hope you guys found that helpful. If you have any questions, as always, please let us know.